Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are watching my videos and finding them helpful. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 arboreal animals. Animal that generally lives on trees. Please do practice and learn the lesson easily. So, here we go. Number 1. Monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Number 2. Squirrel. S Q U I R E L. Squirrel. Number 3. Koala. K O A L A. Koala. Number 4. Sloth. S L O T H. Sloth. Number 5. Orangutan. O R A N G U T A N. Orangutan. Number 6. Kinkajou. K I N K A J O U. Kinkajou. Number 7. Colugo. C O L U G O. Colugo. Number 8. Gibbon. G I B B O N. Gibbon. Number 9. Raccoon. R A C C O O N. Raccoon. Number 10. Opossum. O P O S S U M. Opossum. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share my videos with others. Bye bye.